Continuation with the Eternal Universal Minds. Alright, so this is what we got. As I showed you guys before, I had the plenum cover off, and now I'm attempting to loosen all this cabling so I could kind of move that out of the way so I can get into the intake area and also the valve covers themselves. So what I did was I marked, just the actual connectors, like one line over here. I marked a 2 line, and same goes for these here. I marked a 1 line right there, and a 2 line right there, and a 3 line right there, what corresponds with the other plug as well. And same thing with this plug here. I just made a line straight across. When I take it off, it lines up. Same thing with this hose right here. I just did that so I know exactly where it goes back, because I'm looking for connectors and stuff here, because I know here that I took these connectors out. This connector was actually down in this area here. You guys can really see that. But there's a connector there, and I also marked it. And then I noticed that there's another one right here, which I think is actually part of the crankcase crankcase sensor itself. So I'm going to take this stuff so I can be able to move this stuff out of the way. So just continuing.